This is yours.
Ang tagal ko hinintay ito. Ito yung talagang reaction. Kasi guys, alam, ang birthday gift ko to ng 50th eh. Ang birthday gift ko to ng 50th eh. Siya na stranded. Ngayon lang nakarating. Kaya titingnan ko na as much as yung emotions ko kung paano to dati. Dahil kasama akong pumili nito with the husband na nasa store. Yay!
Wow.
It's Coach, guys.
Wow.
Yuck! Yan. Then may kasama siyang wristlet, guys. How do I look ba? Do I look pretty ba? Mamaya look haggard na eh. Kasi kung saan pa kami galing. So meron siyang pocket din. Tapos pebble leather yan. Nice. I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you, husband.